You must have heard this a lot. A piece of paper cannot decide your future, but it actually can. No, I'm not talking about your exam paper, but a letter of recommendation that speaks for you when you're not in the room. Let's make sure it says all the right thing. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about a key element that can make or break your abroad university application, the letter of recommendation. We will answer all your questions including what an LOR is, why it's crucial to have a strong one, its ideal format, how to write it, the essential do's and don'ts, and everything you need to know about LOR. So stick with us until the end. Let's get started with what is letter of recommendation. A letter of recommendation is a written document that provides a personal endorsement of an applicant qualification, character, and abilities. It's also known as letter of reference. Now let's talk about who can write LOR for you. So you can ask a trusted adult who is not your family member. This could be a teacher, a coach, a mentor, someone from your faith community, a boss, someone you have studied under, volunteered or worked with. Pro tip, ask someone who has known you for a long time or who has seen you work hard at school, a job or extracurricular activity. With the key guidelines in mind, let's look at the proper format that tells you how to write a letter of recommendation. In a letter of recommendation, you should begin with a formal salutation addressing the admissions committees or recipients. In the opening paragraph, introduce yourself as a recommender and your relationship with the applicant and mention the length of time you have known the applicant. Next step is to use 2-3 body paragraph to provide specific example of applicant skills, achievements and character. Also address qualities relevant to the program such as academic abilities, research skills, leadership, teamwork and dedication. Then at last conclude the paragraph or summarize the applicant's suitability for the program and express your confidence in their success. Finally, sign off the letter with a formal closing, for example, sincerely or yours faithfully, and your name and include your contact information. Before moving further, here's a tip from my side to you. A letter of recommendation should be around 400 to 500 words and is classified into 4 to 5 short paragraphs that are introduction, body, and conclusion or summary. Because let's be honest, not everyone has a boss, a teacher, a coach or mentor who are willing to write a letter of recommendation by themselves. In many cases, they prefer to just review and sign it, which is why a lot of applicants end up drafting their own letter of recommendation. So you must know how many words and paragraph it contains, right? Before you start your process of letter of recommendation, let's recap do's and don'ts that you should consider. Starting with the do's, which include understand the purpose, discuss relevant qualities, highlight key strengths, structure the letter well, keep it professional, include your contact information, and proofread before you submit. Moving on to the don'ts, which include don't be vague or avoid general statements without example, don't discuss weaknesses, don't include irrelevant information, don't use informal language, don't miss deadlines. Don't overstate your connection and don't copy the template word to word. After understanding all the important information about an LOR, let's discuss why it is having a strong one so important. Well, there are several benefits of a strong LOR such as validation of skills and qualifications, means a strong letter of recommendation proves your skills and shows decision makers whether you are qualified for the course or not. Next is enhanced credibility, which means a letter of recommendation enhances credibility by showing that someone who knows you supports your abilities. Another benefit is differentiation from the competitors, which simply means in competitive situation, LOR highlights your unique strength, showing why you stand out from others. Other than this, a well-crafted letter of recommendation shed light on your personal attributes such as leadership skills, teamwork abilities, your communication style or adaptability. That's it from my side. If you would like to have your CV and LOR reviewed, be sure to visit our website and take advantage of our free CV and LOR review tools. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions while preparing your study abroad journey, let us know in the comments below, or you can book a free counseling session with one of our experts at Admitex. We are here to help. Before exiting, do like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. We will meet you again with another valuable video. See you next time.